I think this is gonna break.
I'm sorry for your 9-year-old son.
I could triple flip this.
All right, guys, we're here today with
Gabe Cruz.
And we have a box. You know, not the surprise box that you'll get soon, but a box nonetheless. What do you think is in there?
I don't know, because that drop just befuddled me a little bit.
It did. It sounded like a Thor hammer gone wrong.
No! What the heck? You don't, dude. What are you doing to me today, man? What are you doing to me today?
Sakar International.
Enough! I'm tired of Sakar.
They have a monopoly.
This is insane.
On Amazon. I am going to do a deep dive. Who is Sakar International? Where is this coming from?
That's ChatGPT.
Okay.
The rabbit hole has gone even deeper. If we release these chronologically, man, we're unpacking something deep here.
Sakar International. Oh no.
Oh wait, this makes sense.
Why?
It's Tony Hawk.
Okay. Sakar International.
International Incorporated.
The company was founded in 1977 and is known for licensing popular brands such as Kodak, Vivitar, and Nerf for electronics. They produce items like headphones, speakers, cameras, scooters, and hoverboards, often targeting mass market retailers.
Ask them if they make skateboards.
I mean, obviously.
Well, now I'm just testing ChatGPT's knowledge.
Yes, Sakar International makes skateboards, including electric skateboards and traditional ones. They often produce them under license like Tony Hawk and Nerf. Their products are typically aimed at beginners and are sold in major retail stores.
Please do me a favor and find a Sakar International electric board for me to test out.
Okay, deal. Very interesting world. This Tony Hawk Cruiser, from first inspection,
I'm digging it.
Looks to be the sickest thing we've ever unboxed. No lie.
I deeply enjoy grip tape inventions, and this is inventive. I like the idea behind it. Whether it will perform, that's a whole other thing to be seen.
Doesn't even matter, really.
I mean, yeah.
You could skate this in the rain.
This is not advertised to be a trick board.
No.
This is a penny board ripoff.
And we shout out Pennyboard, leave it in the comments below. How about these wheels though, Cruz?
I mean, the wheels are looking solid.
They are
light up.
beautifully clear, and they are clearly lights in there.
You know what's really standing out to me is this hardware.
Wow.
This hardware is really doing something for me.
It's true.
I might actually steal one and put it on my board. The ultimate thing that we have to test is that this thing is rideable and that it feels good.
Yeah.
And that's about it. But anything bonus, I mean, I'm gonna try to kick flip it. I might try to monster flip it or something.
Do not try monster flip. And we're gonna gauge this on a 1 out of 10. If you're a college campus kid and you're just looking to ride a skateboard from one class to the next class, you might be onto the best skateboard ever invented right here. No ollies needed, no nothing.
Now this is a problem.
What?
This plastic.
It's really stuck in there. Why do they have to do it like that? It's just so wrong. Truth is, they do have to do it like that. This is what I learned in working with the large consumer skateboard related situations. You got it, bro. Is this pure plastic, the whole thing?
Dude, it is. And there's the famous Sakar sticker.
Sakar International Inc., made in China.
You know what I'm a little worried about?
Your safety?
My safety's #1, yes.
Please.
But I referenced it in the first video, the flexibility to rigidity ratio.
Yeah.
This is feeling like it's pretty hard plastic.
Really?
And I'm a little worried that I'm gonna break it and it's gonna snap and launch plastic shards into my future dynasty.
Yes.
My legacy makers.
I can't wait to see a little baby Gabe Cruz, right? Am I right?
It's gonna be a large child with an even larger head.
Coming 2026.
Coming to a world near you. Not actually, I'm not expecting. I don't really have much to say. This thing kind of speaks for itself in terms of actual design. I mean, Tony Hawk, the one thing that he does when he mass produces these boards is he comes out with some pretty decent graphics.
It's sick.
How it performs, we'll find out, but let's get this thumbnail and let's give it a test.
Let's give her a test. Full wang danga.
I think this is gonna break.
You think?
Yeah, I think we could break it.
Okay, Gabe's saying that we're gonna break this.
Give it a little bend.
No.
Yeah.
It's flexy.
Yeah.
It's
No?
fine.
No.
Yeah, you're fine.
Bro.
No, it's good. Okay, give it a ride. Give it a ride.
Okay, maybe.
See? If there's one thing Sakar International can do, it's plastic. The trucks don't turn.
No, they do not.
You gotta loosen them up.
Hold on, let me ride this around a bit. Let me get used to it.
If you're a college student from cruising from class to class and you want 100% guarantee no girls, get this board. Am I right, Gabe?
How you doing, baby?
What do you?
This is gonna be a short video, Aaron.
No, it's not gonna break.
It's gonna be a short
You think
video.
it's gonna
You know
break? Why?
This might be the greatest Walmart board ever invented. No. Here's what I'll say.
This is Amazon,
These,
bro.
I mean,
This is
Walmart
the new
tier,
Walmart.
tier,
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
that category.
Like
of cheap.
God tier, only
Yeah.
Amazon.
Yeah, this is like an omnipotent tier of skateboard right
Yes.
here. I mean, the board is whatever. There's enough flex. Obviously, we'll see how it reacts when we start trying stuff on it.
Yeah.
The trucks need to be loosened a
Yep.
little bit, and then I'll do one more test before I say anything further.
Okay.
I don't want to get too deep into it. I want to loosen these and then really give it a wang danga.
I realized I got to pull up the Amazon reviews here to give this a full once over. So what I thought this was in the small box is one of these, one of those little guys. So now I see how we have that small box. Now I'm very curious, what's in the freaking small box? This is what the listing says. Tony Hawk maple wood.
Oh,
Is there any maple wood in that thing at all?
that is a problem.
It's not
Hey,
maple
Ted,
wood.
look at this thing though, dude.
There's
How
no
cool
way
do I
it's
look?
Maple wood.
Here, make sure you have the right one.
Trust me, I got the right one. It literally says that I purchased it in February, and it has the exact graphic. This board was $37. Ready to ride in stealth with our Tony Hawk Cruiser skateboard. Is it stealthy?
It's pretty stealthy. I'm not gonna lie, man. This is absolutely a board that you can go and ride around a college campus on. These are, without question, and I will stand on this, these are the best wheel to bearing ratio I've ever had on any Amazon.
No way!
Wow, they are hella fast.
I got this from my 9-year-old son for Christmas. He's excited to take it to the skate park and try some tricks. I'm sorry for your 9-year-old son. Okay, well, I recently rolled my ankle in the earlier video. I'm gonna have to send my medical bill to Sakar International Inc. Just kidding, just kidding. I would never do that. Oh wow. Yeah, you ain't lying. The bearings are not bad.
Yeah.
The trucks like don't turn though. They like turn a little bit then stop.
Yeah. 2-star review from JSNGGLTT says, if you have an average size 5-year-old you want to introduce to downhill carving, then the manufacturer hasn't misled you about the capabilities of this board. Oh, holy crap, this is long. The fact that they advertise that this board has a 175-pound weight limit is an act that borders on deceptive. Don't misunderstand me. I'm sure it would hold 175 pounds, but anyone who weighs that much trying to learn on this deck is in for a very disheartening introduction to skateboarding. If you know what you're looking for, then buying a deck online is fine. If you're buying your child their very first board and you're not a skater, then please go to a shop first.
But also, when they say trying to learn, you're not trying to learn to do tricks on this. You're just gonna ride, that's it. That's all you're doing.
Yeah, I mean, even trying to learn how to ride. Let someone who understands the challenges of the sport fit your child to a board that makes sense for their size, skill level, and confidence. The board may be just what you're looking for, but your child will be much happier and much more likely to keep at it if you make sure the specs fit their needs.
That is a good,
It was a great read. I feel like I learned something today.
yeah, thanks for a proper review.
Not many reviews. I mean, a lot of the products have reviews that I've left now from previous Braille videos. You'll see us on there like, this is the worst thing. What should I try?
Not an ollie because that's impossible. So an ollie? Yes, sir. Kickflip?
We have a razor.
A razor?
Can I grip it? I can grip it?
You want to grip it?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Gabe wants to grip it.
Wheel's not bad though, huh?
Not bad.
I was such a fool. Where did that come from?
And I wrapped around your finger. Did you have to? Did you have to? Did you have to let it linger?
Start a band?
I'm down.
The AKs.
Yep. Agriculture. Aaron and Gabe. Ag.
Come on!
Okay, so first he says this thing's gonna break. Now he's trying to like.
No, I think it's gonna break still.
You do?
The grip tape's gonna help it not break.
You think so?
Yeah.
Shout out
Doug.
Doug Desautel's. Oh wow, you're even gonna do the Doug on there.
Well, if it sticks is an entirely different question.
That grip tape is not sticking. It's A, bumpy. B, plastic.
This is not very easy. Oh my God. All right. It's not great. Whatever. It'll do though. All right. This I think will help it stay together a little bit.
You think so?
Yeah.
We made this video where we were like, we're gonna break this board. And it was plexiglass and we did everything known to man to break that thing and it wouldn't break. I think this is a similar situation. Nothing
This looks really cool.
is gonna break that. It does look pretty cool.
But this is also just a very good representation of regular grip tape never being replaced by any other like technological thing. Like just
true.
use real grip tape, man.
Perfect.
Yeah, now this feels so much safer.
Yeah. Okay, manual, first try, let's go. What happened?
All right, ollie?
Yeah, ollie. I mean, I feel like kickflip is easier, honestly.
I think so, but I just now I gotta do it.
Yeah. Let's go, Cruz.
I didn't get off the ground, man. Dude, I can't get off the ground.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, snap! That was freaking good, dude. Did you see that?
Yes, I did in fact see that.
Damn.
There you go. Look at that.
Holy. All right, I want a good wager for first try kickflip right now.
Yeah.
I want something good.
Starbucks, any drink. Well, you want
Oh,
better than that?
Just coffee, just coffee.
You want Gots?
I mean, you brought it up, not me.
Gots for kickflip first try.
Gotch chicken sandwich.
Chicken sandwich,
Yeah.
kickflip right here, first try.
All right. How you doing?
Oh my god, man. Watching y'all since like 2017.
Oh yeah,
Thank
thanks.
you. Appreciate it. Nice to meet you guys. Have fun. So you had the paid people come in and try to distract me. So that's what you just did.
That's right.
I see
that
what you
right
just
there
did.
was, I mean, Gots, that's no joke. Thanks, kids. Let's go.
I'm just kidding. That was awesome.
LA Skate Club.
I'm gonna land this and just laugh at you.
Dang it! I knew it! He played me like the white man can't jump. I'm not gonna lie, I thought there is no way that he's gonna land a kickflip on this first try.
Let's go.
Let's go, that was good.
That was fire. That was pretty good, dude.
That was very good.
That was first tee.
What up?
My name's Mitchell.
Nice to meet you, Mitchell.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Hey.
What's up, Eric?
Good to meet you.
Eric Cairo, guys.
Road to Pro, let's go!
Bro, best day ever, baby. You already know. I appreciate you, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
Good to
guys.
meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Just relishing in my victory.
He's
'cause
literally like, never skating again. It's over.
I was like, damn, I wish I could end the video right now.
Now you gotta hill flip it.
Just walk. I don't think that's possible. I might be able to get double flip.
No way, double
Maybe
flip.
maybe 3 flip.
No way.
I just don't know what the best would be. Cool to see.
Anything.
Anything on this is tough.
Anything is tough.
Yeah. I don't know if I can get a heel flip because the flip is so intricate.
Might be that Doug Desautel's grip tape.
Yeah, it definitely made it easier.
Shout out Amgrip.
I might be able to double flip it, man.
No way.
I can. I definitely can.
Try Trey. Might just
that
work.
scares the hell out of me.
Really?
I'd rather double flip it. I don't know if my ankles will like it, but I do.
Wow.
Yeah, I think I could do it. I think I'm gonna land this first tee. I mean, technically I tried twice, but I think this is gonna be first tee.
Yeah.
It's just the same as I did before. Just commit to it, land with your feet close together, flip hard, have some fun. Dude,
No
I could
way.
triple flip this.
You can do 3.
I could triple flip this. All right, let's get double, then I'll do triple.
Do it, do it.
Take a photo real quick.
Yeah, of course.
Sweet. Sorry to bug you guys.
No, it's all good. It's all good.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Sorry to interrupt.
Good to meet you.
Oh, shoot.
Wow.
It's just gonna be a hop and a prayer right now, man. This is kind of sketch.
Bro, you're right there.
2.5?
That was 2.5.
Okay.
How can you even tell?
When you've been doing it as long as we've been doing it, Chloe, you can tell.
Oh, ow, 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 ow.
Does that hurt?
Did that hurt?
Funniest thing I've ever said in my whole life.
Oh, baby, 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 that was so close. Okay, come on, little cruiser. Ha, little cruiser. You could be having the worst day and say a terrible joke and you'll hear Chloe laugh behind the camera and it makes everything okay.
I know.
Right?
Makes everything okay. Chloe is my #1 pun supporter.
Are there any breeze in the audience?
Land.
Is that 2?
That looked like 7 to me. I don't know.
It's like, I feel like it's gonna be one of those deceiving ones where it's like, oh, it's close, and then it's harder than it looks, harder than it should be.
You said you don't believe in me? You said I can't do
I
it?
said you can't do it.
You said I can't land it?
I said I don't think you got double flip in you. No! That was the best clip I've ever filmed in my whole life.
No toe.
No toe.
No toe. We kept
No
it up.
toe. Nothing.
Wait for the air hump. All right, triple. It's happening. All right, triple flip, first try, Wayfair Tavern.
Triple flip, first try, 5,000 to Gabe Cruz's wedding fund.
That's one of those where I'll win and then I'll feel bad taking 5K and then.
No, there's no way you are landing. And there is no toe. If I see that toe even
No, okay,
hit the
yeah,
wheel.
That's valid. Okay, hold up. Actually, I need to walk for a sec.
He's really prepping.
I know.
No practicing, get out of there! Look at that look on his face. Oh. Bro. You good?
Yeah,
You went for it though.
I could do it. Oh, baby.
Oh!
I gotta see that one. 1, 2. Oh, 3.5. Never quad flip before. I mean, doing any form of triple flip on flat is pretty wild,
Any.
right?
But on this board, that's sickening.
I'm gonna call it. This is gonna be a land right here.
Yeah. Wow.
That was it.
If you catch a triple flip in the air on this Tony Hawk board, you will be the greatest skateboarder.
This is kind of hard, but I believe this is it right here. Pop, triple flip, catch, land perfectly, roll away, success, happiness, joy. Let's go. Shut up. Can't with the intercom going on.
I know. It's like, seriously, San Francisco trolley car, killing me. Oh, was it?
Come on, damn it.
What's the most you've ever flipped?
Me, 3.
What's the most anyone's ever flipped?
5?
Probably 5. I mean, somebody's done a 3 flip late, 5 flips.
I don't know exactly what that means, but it sounds crazy.
My shoe is bodied.
You got it.
No!
Yes.
Gosh, Gabe Cruz, why? What in the Tron Legacy is going on there?
XK Glow 24.
I gotta let her pass.
Gabe won't try the trick with the Cybertruck there. He said, I gotta let it pass. There it goes. You got it. Bro.
Gotta look sick. Dang it. I'm going this way. I can feel it. I need to be over it. I easily could have landed that.
Yeah. But you know what? Out of all the boards we tested today, this one not breaking.
Best one. You know what that means? It's go time.
Oh, boy.
Come on. I want this so bad. This will be my best trick that I've done in a long time. It's over flipping.
Too much power. Get to the chopper.
Oh my God, I'm tired. Come on. Right here, just one land. That's all I need.
Oh!
Oh!
1, 2, 3. And a little bit extra. Catch it just a little split second faster. Oh my God! Yes. Let's go, Gabe.
On the camera, it looks like you landed it.
You did land it. 1, 2, 3. Just a slight toe tap. You got it. Take as many tries as you want. Yes!
Oh my God, you
Yes!
got it!
Triple shifty flip. Watch.
Can I count that?
Yeah, 100%. I mean, there was no toe or heel.
I knew you could do it.
Well, out of all the Sakar Unlimited skateboards, this one, I told you, he said it's gonna break. I said, this thing is not gonna break. Tony Hawk, you have done it again. The best skateboard to ever exist on Amazon. Go get it right now. Do a triple flip. Let's go.
Show the camera though, the pivot cup was coming out.
Oh, wow. See that pivot cup right there? It's coming out. Good job, Gabe. That was sick. You battled that.
Man, triple flip is crazy.
A triple flip on this is crazy. It's beyond crazy. Well played. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.